Hello, my lovely humans. So, as previously stated, I wasn't gonna promise that there was gonna be a video last week, and it's like I knew some crazy shit was gonna go down. Yeah. So, cheers to a weekend without any crazy family drama going on. I couldn't or didn't have a great idea for this week. So what I'm gonna do is it's gonna be a use what you got sort of deal. I have these lovely strawberries that I bought and I forgot about. So, I'm gonna make a strawberry fridge jam. Now I know what you're thinking. Don't you put most jams in the fridge? Yes, you do. It's just called that because it I think it sets up in the fridge. I'm pretty sure. I can make jam. Last weekend, I was trying to make marmalade because we had oranges that needed to be used. And I was like, you know what I've never made? Marmalade. So I figured, why not? So it's a 2-day process. I started on Saturday, and then Sunday morning, shit went sideways. And while I was on the phone with family, I smelled, that smells like marshmallows, like burnt marshmallows, aka burnt sugar. So I came back out to the kitchen, and have you ever been in one of those, fire simulators, like where they would, I grew up in the country, so when we would have our Swamp Fest, they would always have this trailer that was set up by the fire department, and they'd have smoke machines that would simulate if your house is on fire, this is what it would be like. The smoke's super thick, you can't breathe that well, it's super crazy. That's what my kitchen looked like. There was so much smoke, and I was like, how the hell is the fire alarm not going off? And then it promptly started going off. I'm still trying to clean that pan. If you have any tips, let me know, because it is burnt. I tried boiling water and vinegar. Didn't get it. Got some of it, didn't get it. I've tried, I even put some baking soda in there to think bubbles. Nope. So yeah. If you or your grandmother, I don't know, maybe we gotta go old knowledge here, because know how to get burnt marmalade out of a pan. It's a non-stick pan, so if it wasn't, I just chisel that bitch out. But I don't really want to mess it up. But at this point, I'm pretty convinced that I have just ruined that pan. So anyways, I'm going to make some jam. Because I didn't learn my lesson. This one's much quicker though. It takes 20 minutes or so. You just gotta, cut up your strawberries and put them in a pan with some sugar and some lemon juice. I'm going to use lemon juice out of a bottle, because use what you have. I don't have lemons. You can also use lemon zest in here, and I'm pretty sure that would be banging, but I don't have it. So, but yeah, so I'm gonna do that. And then I'm also gonna make some crepes. I have attempted to make crepes once, and it was such a disaster. My wife wouldn't even try them. So yeah, But my sister-in-law was like, you should make crepes. And she made crepes the other day, and they looked fantastic. So I was like, anything you can do, I can try to also do. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna cut up some strawberries and we're gonna make some jam. Gonna have a jamboree. So we are on medium-high heat. Good stir. And unlike with marmalade, where it cooks for like 2 days, you're gonna stay on this. You're not gonna leave it. If anyone calls me, they can just wait because I'm not answering. I am making jam. So as you can see, it's already starting to release some juices. If you've ever made like a strawberry shortcake or anything with strawberries that you would sprinkle a little bit of sugar on, that's called macerating, because the sugar starts to break down the liquids and it just makes this wonderfully sweet, juicy berries, not to be confused with you know, double clicking your own mouse. All right, I'm gonna add about that much. I don't think I mentioned this before. You gotta cook this until it reaches 220. Ooh. We're at 215 already. Ah, finally. Jesus. Let's see if I can do this without spilling it and making a complete and total... I do not have confidence in myself. Jesus. Welcome to Probably Shouldn't Do This Kitchen. Okay, got this. Got this. Oh my god. I don't know how hard it is to hold things. It's so stupid. Okay. No. Get in there, you fucker. It's such a terrible idea. Okay. Alright. Home stretch. Come on, kids. Play in the pool. Okay. There you go. There you go. Yay! So, if applicable, this is what you do with your... Stop climbing me. With your strawberry tops. Mmm. That's good, right? Come here, sweetie. That's my finger. You didn't even chew that, baby doll. Okay, let's make some crepes. We got this. Show no fear. Batter is a little bit sus. We're gonna work with it. Okay, we swirl it around. Oh, it's so lumpy. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm not a professional. Stop dripping. Okay. I will say the one thing that I really don't like is how lumpy these are, because the recipe said to mix the flour in the eggs before everything else. And that just made a lot of clumps. And I'm like, how are you supposed to get those out? That's not cute. Oh no. Okay. Shoop-a-doop. Swoop. Bam. Oh no. Why you got fingers? It's not supposed to have fingers. It's okay. We're just gonna have a finger crepe. That doesn't sound right. That sounds like a sexual activity. I love the way crepes feel. Okay, it's gonna sound really weird, but like this texture, like it feels like skin. Is that weird? Good morning. It is the next day. I didn't finish my jam. Well, I mean, I finished my jam yesterday, but it had to set up and everything. So I was gonna finish last night when we got home, but we did a lot of chores, so it did not get done. So breakfast. That's pretty good. If I made it again, I probably wouldn't follow the recipe I was using because I still didn't put as much sugar as it called for. It is very sweet. I know that jam is sweet, but like it is very sweet. Maybe that much sugar with like really tart strawberries would work, but my strawberries were like super ripe. So it was really good though. And the crepes I made turned out fantastic. I took some to my wife at the barn yesterday for lunch, or with her lunch. It wasn't just crepes. And I had them with, I put a little bit of the jam, even though it wasn't completely set up, it was still a nice like sauce. I put a little bit of the jam and some cream cheese, rolled it up. Seriously good. But yeah, if you've tried to make crepes before and you failed, like me, give that recipe a shot. I'll post it in the description below. Again, would probably tweak it because it said to mix the eggs and the flour, and that just made it clumpy. I don't know. I'm gonna remake it, see how it goes. Hope you guys are having a good week, and hopefully you're having some good weather where you are. It's in the 70s today, so gotta get some outside stuff done. But yeah, that's all I got. Anyways, yeah, make some jam. Pretty good. But yeah, I'm gonna go take care of some critters, and I'll see you next Tuesday. That's what we're going with.